We might have a problem.
Is it the water pump?
Yay, we figured it out.
2 nights in a row. Yeah, that's cool. Thank you. And then.
So as you guys know, Steve needs a door and a mirror and a window. So we're on our way to go get one.
I think we're in the right place.
We're here. So we're here at Rick's European Connection, getting our Europe connection on, getting connected to Europe. If you're American in the kitchen, what are you in the bathroom?
I don't know.
European.
Oh.
First time here?
There's doggy. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
What's your dog's name?
His name is Spot.
Hey, Spot.
Oh, Spot.
The back road starts in 76.
Oh, wow.
Sean, this is right in your wheelhouse.
Oh, yeah.
So we get off the street.
Oh, shit. Indian?
Yeah. And the motor and everything is all fucking redone. Everything, the wheels, tires are all redone. It's all done. You drive.
So we got a door, a mirror, and the interior door panel. And
Yummy.
hopefully the regulator in that door works, but we'll find out.
It's meant if you squint. I got B-roll of the yard. I did portrait and landscape and
Nice.
something in the shop.
Holy smokes. That's huge brain.
Behind the scenes.
This is like the worst part about going to pick up this door.
Yep. So we just got done at the junkyard, and because we live in Florida, the junkyard is right around the corner from this. Just stay where you are, you'll hate it here. Don't even, just wherever you live in.
So we've got our new door. It's a new old door. We gotta put it on here.
Does it have a window?
Yes. And it's not made out of cardboard, it's actually a see-through type window. That was a rare option on the later models only. So we're just gonna rip that thing off. Oh, it's hot. It's really hot in there. I don't like that.
I think you paid too much for that option.
Oh yeah, I didn't realize we weren't gonna need that anymore.
The car came with a bunch of spare windows, you just don't want to use them.
Very hot.
I'm assuming you like tools.
Yeah, the bag's right behind Andy.
Have you seen you?
No, who's that? So, this will all go. We're just gonna have to cut this vacuum line with snips.
Did you bring them?
I think so.
You didn't.
Perfect.
I don't see them.
I thought yeah, they're there. I see them. Use your eye holes.
Joke's on you, I can't see.
Oh my god.
I have sunglasses.
It's right
on.
underneath the impact gun.
Sorry you hate the other sunglasses for your video.
I know, I blew it. Man, he's just talking shit over here. Shut up, camera guy.
Camera
Oh, you brought the
lasts.
shitty ones, that's why I didn't see them.
Camera lasts
These
to
don't
you.
cut anything.
Well, I'm not the one who kept them.
Yeah, well, I use them more for crimping things at this point
Good.
than for cutting. They're way
Fucking
better than
mint.
that. Listen, they're just very blunt crimpers.
Yeah, you know, you gotta crimp your blunt.
Observe how effective these are.
Yeah.
Well, you see, here's the thing. At one point, I decided that these were also metal shears. And I don't know, like, if the
13.
camera can pick up, like, the spaces in there.
Oh my god.
The metal that I was cutting was apparently harder than the Chinesium metal that these are made out of. So, I don't know, it's fine.
Oh, that's hot too. Everything. We also have a mirror somewhere in here. I don't know how it goes, or if it even will go. I also don't know where it goes.
But you can't do that and have your head above the video.
Right, so as you can see, we just gotta do this. Somehow. I don't know.
Can you crank his window down?
Not without the key.
Oh, they're not crank.
Probably should have brought the key so that we could test if this window works.
Oh.
Just have to take these 3 screws out, and then there's a screw through the plug that holds the plug onto the thing, and then you take the thing off.
All right, so we're gonna install this. Ready? Are you rolling?
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Magic. So we only lost 1 screw in the process of redoing it, so that's fine. But can you see behind you? Ooh, we could test that. Oh wait, we can't because somebody didn't bring the key to the car.
Yeah, so there's no way to get in it.
Wow. So let's bring this over to... Hi, what are we doing?
Creating a bomb.
Oh.
Not really, but you don't want to touch these 2 together because it'll get spicy. But we've just got a couple terminals in there so that we can utilize this battery to jumper out the car's stuff and see if this window works in our shiny new door.
Is it industry standard to have the power and ground be exactly the same color?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
And usually you want to tape them together too to make sure.
Yeah, okay. Just clarifying for the audience.
So I don't know what that does.
What happens if the window's off the track and just comes careening down and explodes?
Well, that will be disappointing.
Then we're back to square one.
But hopefully that's not what happens. This wiring goes to the regulator. So in
Says who?
theory,
Yep, that's usually how theory works. Those don't look like one's a power, does it? They look like they're both grounds.
well, this one's black and this one's green.
Yeah, but both of yours are green.
But there's only 2. Oh yeah, that's true. So we got to do green to green.
Just both of the greens to the green.
No, these are the 2 wires that go to the motor.
Oh, okay.
I'm pretty sure. So I guess the motor's dead.
Well, it's good that neither of us know what we're doing.
I conveniently didn't bring the tool to remove it,
Oh,
but maybe these pliers will work.
nope. Well, we have a whole shop over here, so we could just go get the tool.
Yeah, it's just all the way over there.
Yeah, but we gotta go over there anyways. We have more to do than just Steve.
I guess.
Well,
That was nothing.
as expected, nothing.
Okay, so we got the new door installed, but this window does not go up and down. And some quick diagnostics with the multimeter showed that there's an issue with the motor. However, the smashed into door that came off of here had a regulator in it that I think works. So I'm gonna try and wait. Oh. Haha. The regulator in the smashed door is broken up here. There's a little plastic slider in there that's broken that always breaks, but I think the motor is good. So I've got the motor off. It's just loosely on there right now. And I'm gonna try and put that motor onto the regulator that's in this door, and then fingers crossed we have a working up and down window. Let's see how this goes. It's recording now.
Which window am I looking at? Oh, okay.
The one that works now.
Oh, wow. At least it's slow.
It's mint. So what do we have to say about that?
3 out of 10, didn't love it.
But that's how to replace the passenger side rear door and passenger side front door mirror on a 1994 Mercedes-Benz E320 wagon.
Police subscribe.
Yeah. Click on the like button or the dislike button. It doesn't really matter to us, but anything that you do will help us to be more popular.
Is there still a dislike button on YouTube?
I think so.
Oh, okay. Well, probably shouldn't have told him to hit that one.
Leave a negative comment. Tell us how much you hate us.
Please internet below.
Bye!
Wow, I thought we were done already. Okay, it's probably fine. Bye.